A great day to everybody. This is the group of COSME MYKA, Monte Angelica, Tagudin Marianne, Tuliao Eileen, Priscilla, Rivera Priscilla, and Zipagan Kyla. This is our Module 1 assessment task.
Based on the illustrations, that as you can see on the illustrations, that is a kubo, a disaster house relief. So based in the video clips, what did you learn about social innovation? So based on the video clip, social innovation is creating a solutions that addresses users' need, which is they come up and think of a substitute on their house that ruins typhoon. So, explain how the key process critical thinking, creative thinking, and design are applied in social innovation. So, they are creative in creating a kubo with the use of bamboo. They are critical thinker because they think of a solution which can create a kubo and it is customizable and modular.
Another video clip is the building community resilience using two-way radio technology. So number one question in here is, based on the video clip, what did you learn about social innovation? As I watched the video clip about building community resilience using two-way radio technology, social innovation is not just solving a problem inside a community with unity, but then it shows how communication and the safety of each person living inside the community is important. And at the same time, it gives benefits and changes or improvement to the whole community. Number two question is, explain how the key processes, critical thinking, creative thinking, and design are applied in social innovation. To perfectly come up with solution, the first thing that community did is that they think for the major problems or needs after that they do a research for materials needed, which is cheap but has the quality and commonly used inside the community, like PVCs, wires, and of course the number one need is that the radio, where at the end of this project they solve the needs of communication signals, most likely from weather updates because they are living in an island.
Good day everyone, my name is Priscilla May B. Rivera and I will discuss the video clips about social innovation entitled Bamboo Dyke River Embankment. Based in the video clips, what did you learn about social innovation? Based in the video clips, the social innovation is unity and problem solving about the flood that can sweep or flooded the resident's house. It takes time and effort of every resident or the community to think a solution in how to mitigate the impact of floods along the river. Second question, explain how the key processes, critical thinking, creative thinking, and design are applied in social innovation. When they are done in solution, they do also research in making the bamboo dike to make it strong, which is the vetiver grass that can hold or keep the soil in place, and the vetiver grass can also livelihood for residents. They will dry it to make huts and mats. This innovation can make the community safe.
So, good day everyone. I am Marianne Tagudin. I am here also to discuss what I learned from the video that I watched. So, the fourth video is all about floating agriculture. First, based on the video clip, what did you learn about the social innovation? So, I learned that floating agriculture is a way of producing foods in areas that are waterlogged for long period of time. It also mainly aims at adapting to increase of prolonged flooding. And the second question is, explain how the key of process, critical thinking, creative thinking, and design are applied in social innovation. The approach employs beds or rooting segregation, which act as compost for crop growths. In procedure, even contribute toward mainly healthy wetlands, which have coastal defense function and also support a wide range of diversity.
Good day everyone, my name is Eileen Leatulia from BSE 2 Phil and I'm here to discuss one of the video clips about social innovation, which is entitled Floating Agriculture by Concern Incorporated. Based in the video clips, what did you learn about the social innovation? Based in the video clip, which is all about the floating agriculture, what did I learn about social innovation is the people identify and understand first the situation or problem of the community in order to make or create solution that might address their needs. As they saw and experience the situation of the community, they take an action to solve the problem. Next, explain how the key processes, critical thinking, creative thinking, and design are applied in social innovation. After they identified the problem in their community, they came up with an idea, which is the floating garden, to make use of the water that surrounds them. They utilized a floating platform and a planting medium where seedlings can be planted, grown, and harvested. And then, the team tested multiple float designs, paving the way of seedling and actual planting. So the problem in the community solved, and now they have foods to harvest and eat.
Hi, I'm Kyla Zipagan, so I will discuss the next video clip. The next video clip is about Disaster Preparedness Simulator, or the DPS, by Anya Design. The first question is, based in the video clips, what did you learn about social innovation? Social innovations means developing, creating, implementing new and effective solutions in any social issues. Based in the video clip, social innovation have a lot of contribution to the society that makes a better changes. Just like Anya Design Lab has developed a disaster preparedness simulator. It is a mobile virtual reality simulation covering natural hazard experience in the country. Through these social innovations gave opportunity to students to experience a realistic disaster situation where they can make decisions without compromising their safety or to make them survive. I learned that social innovation have mission and vision to create better or good environment and materialize innovation ideas to address and solve problems that society face. The next question is, explain how the key process, critical thinking, creative thinking, and design are applied in social innovation. Anya team members found that participation among students during disaster readiness and risk reduction classes have been very low, so they introduce and generate an innovative learning approach in disaster preparedness, the Disaster Preparedness Simulations, or the DPS. The DPS works on any Android-powered smartphone connected to Google Cardboard. This innovation contributes to have deeper knowledge in times of disaster, to increase their awareness and readiness. In the end, the problem phases have been solved through their effective social innovation. That's all. Thank you.
Another video clip is the BattleNet Life Jacket. Number one question. Based in the video clip, what did you learn about social innovation? This clip doesn't just show on how to create solution or to address the needs inside the community. Also, the social innovation means to address the general problems inside the community, like minding to lessen trashes that can turn into a recyclable things, like we call BattleNet Life Jacket. It doesn't cost thousands, and it also help our community to improve, and at the same time to save people's life and of course the environment inside of our community.
So the second one is a net jacket. So explain how the key process, critical thinking, creative thinking, and design are applied in social innovation. In this BattleNet Life Jacket, is the material is they use in plastic and net, which they create as their life vest. It is cheap, but it is low in cost. Since they are near in the sea, they think of a possible solutions to survive in times of extreme flooding across their areas.
Explain how the key processes, critical thinking, creative thinking, and design are applied in social innovation. They innovate a life jacket that every people in barangay along the coastal area can use. The BattleNet Life Jacket's materials are plastic bottle that have plastic or styro caps that it can be personal flotation device if there is hazard in the sea. This innovation is eco-friendly because the people use trash or garbages that lessen the sea pollution.
The next social innovation video clip is entitled Buckwheat Kit, a flat pack evacuation kit made by the Typhoon Yolanda survivors. Based in the video clips, what did you learn about the social innovation? Based in this video, the social innovation here is not just identifying and solving the problem. It takes a lot of effort, creativity, and unity in doing it. It has a lot to consider, especially to the well-being of humanity.
Buckwheat Kit, a flat pack evacuation kit made by Typhoon Yolanda survivors. The second question is, explain how the key process, critical thinking, creative thinking, and design are applied in social innovation. The current evacuation center during Typhoon Yolanda, they recognize one of the main problems from children or women who are exposed to gender-based violence and not comfortable. So survivors made an innovation to have privacy in evacuation center, the Buckwheat Kit. This Buckwheat Kit is a flat pack evacuation kit which contains evacuation essentials in 2 boxes. It was very helpful to solve the problem they experienced to make them safe and comfortable during disaster. That's all. Thank you.
Once again, this is the Module 1 assessment task of COSME, Monte, Tagudin, Tulyao, Rivera, and Zipagan. Thank you for listening.